good works. Titus 3 helped me with that. It says this, let our people also learn to maintain good works. Keep doing them. To meet urgent needs, here it is, that they may not be unfruitful. Good works and not being unfruitful. If I don't do good works, I become unfruitful. If I bear good works, I could be fruitful. Number 2, fruit can only be produced by those, quote, in Christ. Jesus said, every branch in me. What happens to a person who's not in Christ? A person who rejects Christ? There wouldn't be a person in Christ.